friends, ciao a tutti, buona giornata. This is Ellen Nanayon, and for today's vlog, lovely friends, I am going to make a seafoods. Basically, our protagonist main ingredients for today is this shrimps, and I am going to divide for two recipes, guys. So the first stop is this shrimps with a tagliatelle. So if you're familiar with the tagliatelle, guys, it's a flat homemade egg flour pasta, and it's so easy, guys. Just main ingredients, of course, shrimps, and then garlic. Make sure you have garlic. And we had a gift from the pepper, guys, from Africa, and this is so spicy, guys. So along with the ingredients of the tagliatelle shrimp pasta, of course, cherry tomatoes if you have cherry tomatoes, and some chops of parsley to accompany with it. And that's it, guys. It's so easy, guys. Just saute in a pan and make sure you boiled water first. And this tagliatelle is quite large, so it takes about 4 minutes the time couture. Okay, and that's it. So the moment the pasta cook, guys, make sure that you sprinkle on top of the sauce, guys, this parsley, and saute about for 1 minute. And I would like also to welcome and shout out my members, guys. Ellentravellingkitchen, 1970s Tiger, big love shout out. Miss Maria Kitty Livingstone, Coffee Tambayan Vlogs, and Mamita Myrna, I would like to shout out, and Zara D, of course, of Superstars. Thank you so much, highly appreciated for the always supporting my channel and being a member on my channel. And I would like also to welcome Lola and Tanner's TV, Tupaco Kill Me, of course, and Love Hurts, of course, Love Hurts, Killer Smile, thank you so much, and Ring Chai, thank you so much, Miss Maris Refill Vlog or Anroda, thank you as well, thank you, highly appreciated. Amiga Bicolana, thank you so much. Erlinda Sofia Lakis, thank you so much, mommy. And Vince Between the Lines, of course, for being a member for me for 1 year. And above all, Joy Segar and Love Michaela B, 13 months, thank you so much. And of course, 1970s Tiger, 16 months, thank you, highly appreciated. So this trick, guys, is really helpful, and it's just normal in the cuisine of Italy cuisine, guys, where they toast the pasta, guys, without the what you call this, sandok, without the spoons, guys, being mixed in the pasta. So these are the Italian lunch, of course, because pasta is life for them. So when the moment I am with my in-laws house, basically every day they ate pasta, guys. Just little portion, like about 80 to 100 grams pasta with that, guys. So that was the part of my father-in-law, and here is my mother-in-law. And just she doesn't like much pasta, but she's Italian, of course. But the moment that she ate every time with seafoods pasta, she just grabbed all the seafoods, all the sauce, not with the pasta, guys, as you can see. It's so funny, but it's okay. She's old and she needs to eat and enjoy food. So basically our summer, guys, for about 2 weeks, we traveled back to Fabriano for about 8 or 9 hours, depend if there's no traffic, and it was so hot, and we stayed just in the house of Fabriano, and there's nothing in there. Everything is closed. There just one bar, Otello. We always go there for ice cream or aperitif, and just roam around at the center, do a little bit shopping or window shopping, and just walking to the center. So basically it's just nothing going on our summer, and I supposed to go to the hospital for my abdomen checkup, but unfortunately the doctor is in holiday. Also my tooth, I didn't able to fix it because of it, everything was closed. So basically I will just do that back home in Lecce, and I can it's too tough and it's too hot for me this summer, and I did not sleep well, so I felt so irritable and my head was aching all the time. And couple of days before we left in my in-laws house, finally we have electric fan, but the electric fan only lasts for 3 hours, so I felt really uncomfortable. And way back in Lecce for about 9 hours, I was so sick, with car sick, because of the lack of air conditioned, and we have to test the battery for the car if it lasts about 6 hours, so we have to be patient without any air condition. But I felt so sick. So that's all my summer's story. And this part, guys, I am cooking right now is this gamberi. Gamberi is shrimp. In Italian is gamberi. So basically this is just simple salt, guys, with garlic and lots of oil. So supposed to have lots of oil with this recipes, guys, and then pinch of salt. You don't need any nor cube or any soya, because this is basically cooked like a Spanish dish, guys, with the paprika. But this paprika is from Africa, so it was so spicy and sweet. So just salt and make sure that the shrimps is crunchy, of course. And later on we're gonna add some the main ingredients, the paprika. So it's up to you if you like more spices, if you can afford to eat super spicy. So it's up to you, like half spoon or 1 spoon. And then add some little bit of butter, guys, not the entire 175 grams of butter, no, just little butter, just like that. And then saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. You will have a perfect gambash with paprika, of course. So I really hope so, guys, that you enjoy, and big love shout out Lipat and Shine. Thanks so much, Georgie Ulita, for the message that I have to do a premiere Thursday, which is this is my premiere. Thank you so much, big love shout out. And don't forget, guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and of course support each other and take good care of your health, because this pandemic is not over yet, and we have to be extra careful and make sure you are vaccinated, of course, and just carry on, and more power, and stay healthy all the time. Thank you so much. Big love shout out to each and everyone. Thank you so much.